How to save on electricity costs. During summers, with the rising temperatures, our electricity bills can skyrocket during the summer months. But don't worry. In today's video, we'll share some practical and effective tips to help you save on electricity costs during the summer. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Use energy-efficient appliances. Switch to energy-efficient appliances if you haven't already. Look for the Energy Star label when purchasing new appliances. These appliances use less energy and can significantly reduce your electricity bills. Number 2. Install a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat can help you save energy by automatically adjusting the temperature when you're not home or while you're sleeping. Set your thermostat a few degrees higher when you're away and lower it just before you return. Number 3. Keep your AC filters clean. Dirty air filters force your air conditioner to work harder, consuming more energy. Clean or replace your AC filters every month to ensure it runs efficiently. This simple maintenance task can improve airflow and reduce energy consumption. Number 4. Use ceiling fans. Ceiling fans are a great way to stay cool without cranking up the AC. They use much less electricity and can make a room feel cooler by circulating the air. Remember to turn off the fans when you leave the room to save energy. Number 5. Close curtains and blinds. Blocking out the sun's heat can keep your home cooler. Close curtains and blinds during the hottest part of the day to prevent heat from entering your home. Consider using blackout curtains for even better insulation. Number 6. Cook smart. Avoid using the oven during the hottest parts of the day as it can heat up your home. Instead, use a microwave, slow cooker, or grill outside. These alternatives use less energy and keep your home cooler. Number 7. Seal leaks and insulate. Ensure your home is well insulated and seal any leaks around windows and doors. Proper insulation keeps the cool air in and the hot air out, reducing the workload on your AC. Weather stripping and caulking are inexpensive ways to improve insulation. Number 8. Use natural ventilation. Take advantage of cooler evening and morning temperatures by opening windows and using natural ventilation. Turn off the AC and let the fresh air in to cool your home naturally. Use window fans to enhance airflow. Number 9. Turn off lights and electronics. Lights and electronics generate heat, making your AC work harder. Turn off lights, TVs, computers, and other electronics when not in use. Consider switching to LED bulbs, which use less energy and produce less heat. Number 10. Use a dehumidifier. Humidity can make your home feel hotter than it is. Use a dehumidifier to remove excess moisture from the air, making it more comfortable at higher temperatures. This allows you to set your thermostat higher without sacrificing comfort. Number 11. Shade your AC unit. If possible, place your AC unit in a shaded area or create shade using plants or an awning. A cooler AC unit runs more efficiently and uses less energy. Just make sure there's enough clearance around the unit for proper airflow. Number 12. Unplug vampire electronics. Many electronics consume energy even when turned off. These are called vampire electronics. Unplug chargers, gaming consoles, and other devices when not in use, or use a power strip to easily turn off multiple devices at once. Number 13. Wash clothes in cold water. Washing clothes in cold water saves energy used for heating water. Most detergents work just as well in cold water, and it can also help extend the life of your clothes. Additionally, try to air dry your clothes whenever possible. Number 14. Schedule an energy audit. Many utility companies offer free or low-cost energy audits. An energy audit can identify areas where your home is losing energy and provide recommendations for improvements. This can lead to significant long-term savings on your electricity bill. Number 15. Plant shade trees. Planting trees around your home can provide natural shade and reduce cooling costs. Deciduous trees are ideal as they provide shade in the summer and allow sunlight through in the winter when their leaves fall. Number 16. Optimize fridge and freezer settings. Set your refrigerator to 37 to 40 degree degree and your freezer to 0 to 5 degree degree for optimal energy efficiency. Make sure the seals on your fridge and freezer doors are tight to prevent cool air from escaping. Avoid overfilling or underfilling them for best performance. Number 17. Use solar-powered devices. Consider using solar-powered chargers and lights. Solar-powered garden lights, for example, can provide outdoor lighting without increasing your electricity bill. There are many affordable solar options available for everyday use. Number 18. Schedule regular maintenance. Regular maintenance of your HVAC system ensures it runs efficiently. Schedule annual tune-ups with a professional to check for issues and clean components. A well-maintained system uses less energy and can prevent costly breakdowns. Number 19. Reflective window film. Installing reflective window film on your windows can help block out a significant amount of heat from the sun, keeping your home cooler without relying heavily on your air conditioner. This film is easy to apply and can reduce your cooling costs considerably. Number 20. Smart power strips. Using smart power strips can help you manage energy consumption more effectively. These power strips can automatically cut off power to devices that are in standby mode, preventing them from drawing unnecessary electricity. This is especially useful for home offices or entertainment centers where multiple devices are plugged in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more advice on frugal living and energy savings. Let us know in the comments which tip you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.